In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group objects in Microsoft PowerPoint. Grouping lets you treat multiple items as a single unit, so you can move, resize, and format them together. It's a simple technique that keeps your slides consistent and saves you a lot of time. Start by opening Microsoft PowerPoint and navigating to the slide that contains the objects you want to group. Take a moment to look over the layout so you know exactly which items you plan to include. Now select the objects. Hold down the Control key on your keyboard, then click each object you want in the group. You can select shapes, text boxes, images, icons, or charts. As you click, make sure each item shows selection handles around it. That's your visual confirmation it's included. If you accidentally select something you don't want, just Control-click it again to remove it from the selection. Zooming in slightly can make precise selections easier, especially on crowded slides. With the objects selected, right-click on any one of them. In the menu that appears, point to Group, then choose Group. Instantly, your selection becomes one grouped object. You'll notice that clicking anywhere on the group now selects the entire set, which makes repositioning and resizing much more efficient. There's also a ribbon method if you prefer using the toolbar. With all the objects still selected, go to the Shape Format tab for shapes or the Picture Format tab for images at the top of the window. Click Group, then choose Group from the dropdown. This does the same thing as the right-click method, so use whichever feels faster for you. If you need to revert the group back to individual items, it's just as easy. Right-click the grouped object, point to Group, and choose Ungroup. The items separate and can be edited individually again. And if you change your mind later, you can regroup them by selecting the same items and choosing Group again. Once grouped, you can move the set as one piece. Resize it by dragging a corner handle, rotate it using the rotation handle, or copy and paste it to reuse the entire layout on another slide. This helps keep elements aligned and consistent, especially when you're repeating a design across multiple slides. And that's how you group objects in Microsoft PowerPoint. It's a straightforward feature that brings order to your designs and speeds up your workflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.